श्री वाहिगुरु। सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु। बिलावल महला पंजवा। उदम करत आनंद पया सिमरत सुख सार। जप जप नाम गोबिंद का पूरन विचार। चरण कमल गुर के जपत हर जप हो जीवा। पार ब्रह्म आराधते मुख अमृत पीवा। रहाओ जी जंत सब सुख बसे सबके मन लोच। पर उपकार नित चितवते नाही कछ पोच। धन सो थान बसंत धन जय जपिए नाम। कथा कीर्तन हर अत घना सुख सहज विश्राम। मन ते कदे ना बिसरै अनाथ को नाथ। नानक प्रभ शरणागति जाके सब किछ हाथ। मन ते कदे ना विसरै अनाथ को नाथ। नानक प्रभ शरणागति जाके सब किछ हाथ। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। गुरु अर्जन देव जी in Rag Bilawal on Ang 815 of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, the six scriptures, in the Rahao Tuk, which is the central idea of the hymn, he very beautifully describes the state of mind, describes how he is blissfully tasting the nectar which is available to him. Now he wants to share that with us. He wants us to also feel the gift that the presence of Vaheguru brings in our lives. So what is he saying? Charan kamal gur ke japat har jap ho jeeva. When I have come closer to Guru, when I have sought Guru's footprints or Guru's teachings, चरण कमल गुर के जपत। गुर के ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚਰਨ ਕਮਲ ਨੂੰ ਜਪਣ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਹਿਰਦੇ 'ਚ ਵਸਾਉਣਾ। So when we are listening to Guru's teachings, when we are following Guru's teachings, that is charan kamal gur ke japat. Har jap ho jeeva, then automatically something happens. What does that happen? He says har jap ho jeeva. I live only to really remember and being in feeling the company of Vaheguru with me all the time. Par Brahm Aradhate Mukh Amrit Piva. When I am remembering Vaheguru, when I am thanking Vaheguru, when I am always have the acknowledgement of Vaheguru's presence in my life all the time, constantly. There is not a moment when I feel separated. That is what Guru Arjan Dev Ji is feeling. That is how he is experiencing life. Mukh Amrit Piva. He says, I am tasting, I am enjoying this bliss, this Amrit, this nectar. It's just amazing how Gurus always shared their experience. It's very, very difficult to capture the immensity of the experience of being one with God. But yet, we find that Gurus were such genius, enlightened souls that they will capture a certain aspect of their experience and share it with us. So he says, Udam karat anand paya simrat sukhsar. When I am no longer lazy, when I was no longer putting off anything related to my spiritual development, what happened? I started feeling the happiness. Simrat sukhsar. When I was remembering Vaheguru, when I was doing Nitnem, when I was doing part, when I was listening to Gurbani, when I was thanking and during the day also, I started experiencing the happiness, the serenity and the peace. Simrat Sukhsar. Jap jap naam Govind ka Puran Vichar. That when I'm remembering Vaheguru, when I'm uttering Vaheguru's name is thanking Vaheguru, is the way to really uh, form a very deep bonded relationship with Vaheguru. He says, Jap Jap Naam Gobind Ka Puran Vichar. This is the exact contemplation. This is how one should live. This is what Guru Arjan Dev Ji is saying to us. And then he says, Ji jan sab sukh base sab ke man loj. When I recognize, when I see that not only God has been gracious upon me, God is also gracious upon everyone. And every person, every living being can experience Vaheguru's presence and Vaheguru's support. Paropkar nit chitpate nahi kachpoch. When those individuals slowly and slowly start experiencing Vaheguru's presence in their heart, they see their own spiritual unfoldment. Their heart becomes much larger. They are no longer focused on one small thing, their own life, their own family. They are just here to offer help and support to everyone. So paropakar nit chitvate, nahi kachpoch. Because they're always thinking of how can I be helpful to others? How can I, and they don't even have to decide, they don't have to plan, they don't have to follow any instructions. It comes automatically. It comes on its own. Nahi kachpoch. They don't get imbalance in their life. They don't get any effect of the world, how it sort of pulls our soul and our heart to all the other things. But those people, they stay above. Tan so than basant tan jeh japiye naam. This is an amazing expression. He says, wherever Vaheguru's name is being recited, which is really in our heart, that's where Guru Nanak Dev Ji and all the Gurus wanted us to feel that the right place to worship Vaheguru is within your own heart. Jai Japiye Naam, othe ki hunda tan so than basant. That place is like a ever spring. There is no, the weather does not change. There is no summer, there is no winter, there is always spring. The spring weather is given a lot of recognition in the 6 scriptures, because in spring new life unfolds. The vegetation is being renewed. The weather is beautiful. So he says this is what you can experience 24/7 all the time within yourself. Katha kirtan har atkana sukh sahaj vishram. Those individuals, they are not involved in other things other than Katha kirtan har atkana. They are completely enjoying and imbued in Vaheguru's Kirtan, Vaheguru's Katha. They only talk about how can I thank enough Vaheguru. And their mind is no longer in turmoil. There is no ups and downs of life which is affecting their inner self. They are in Vishram. They are come to a complete stillness. Mante kade na visare anath ko nath. He says those individuals, they never forget that they belong to Vaheguru and Vaheguru belongs to them. Anath ko nath. They have found a real parent. They are no longer orphans. Sometimes we feel, even though we might have families, but at a deeper level, we feel the loneliness. We feel that there is no one to support us. We need somebody's support. But the individuals who are connected with Vaheguru, they don't feel that. And we can also be in that same situation. Nanak Prabhu Sharnagati Jaake Sab Kich Haath. This is the solution. This is how Guru Arjan Dev Ji gives us the way and inspires and nudges us that seek the shelter of that creator, your own creator. Nanak Prabhu Sharnagati Jaake Sab Kich Haath. In whose hand is the entire universe, the entire creation. Why don't you seek God's shelter and feel God's presence and God's love and God's mercy and God's grace? So that can all be experienced, just as he has said, that Charan Kamal, Gur ke, ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਿਰਦੇ 'ਚ ਵਸ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਦੇ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਭਾਵਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਤਾਂ ਨਾਥ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਕਥਾ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਹਰ ਅਤ ਕਨਾ ਸੁਖ ਸਹਿਜ ਵਿਸ਼ਰਾਮ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਰਾਮ ਹੀ ਲੱਭ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਖ ਹੀ ਲੱਭ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਾਰਾਮਾਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਪਰਪਸ ਤਾਂ ਇਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੁੱਖ ਮਿਲੇ, ਵਿਸ਼ਰਾਮ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਵੇ, ਹੋਰ ਟਿਕਾ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ, ਕੋਈ ਭਾਜੜ ਦੌੜ ਨਾ ਰਵੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਕਮਾਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਵੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਜੀ ਤੋੜ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਵੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੰਤ ਜਨ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬੜੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਆਪਣੀ ਦਸਾਂ ਨੌਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਤ ਵੀ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਹੋਇਆਂ ਵੀ ਗਏ ਮਸ਼ੱਕਤ ਘਾਲ ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇ ਮੁਖ ਉਜਲੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਛੁੱਟੀ ਨਾਲ। ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਹੋਏ ਵੀ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਵਿਸ਼ਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਮਾਲ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਲੋਸੋਫੀਕਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆਫ ਵਿਊ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਜੀਵਨ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਿਆਂ ਹੋਇਆਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੰਤ ਬਣਨ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੰਭਾਵਨਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਤ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ